active volcano that's in the world, in the countries. Number 10, we have in the Java in Indonesia. In Indonesia, only have 98 volcanoes in Indonesia. We have some volcanoes. We have Mount Raung, Mount Ijen. This is the mountain, not a volcano. I don't know what is this. Mount Bromo, Mount Semeru, Malang Plain, Kawi Butak, Arjuna Welirang, Kelut. And the largest crater volcano in the Indonesia, called Mount Tambora, known as Mount Tambora, also known as Tomboro, have a large crater stratovolcano. And the most active one is Sinabung volcano, was the active and most powerful active. And the tallest volcano in the world is Mount Kerinci, is the tallest volcano in the world. At number 9, at the Philippines. Philippines have 40 volcanoes. Mount Isargi is a dormant volcano, and Mount Iriga, or also known Mount Asog, is a dormant volcano with large crater had collapsed. Mount Mazaraga is the dormant volcano with sharp peak, and Mount Mayon is the most conical shaped active volcano, known as stratovolcano, right? And the most dormant and the most second recorded eruptions in January 12. January 19 recorded eruption is volcano Taal. The most tallest volcano in the Philippines, also known as Mount Pinatubo, is the tallest volcano in our world. Our Philippines have a massive crater lake. Number 8 is Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea have 41 volcanoes. This volcano called Krumel Garbuna, and this volcano called Langila, and this volcano called Karkar. This volcano called which one? This one, Tori. And did you know what is the volcano on the left? This is called Balbi. And the most tallest and the most recorded eruption in Papua New Guinea is Tavora volcano. At number 7, California. In California have 11 volcanoes. Pinacate, Cerro Prieto, Salton, Buttes. It was located right here. San Quintin volcanic field, Jaraguay volcanic field, and and Isla San Luis and Coronado, San Borja volcanic field, and the last one is Tres Virgenes, and next Guadalupe, and this Común de la Prisma volcanic field, and the last one Isla Tortuga. Next one is USA. USA have 19 volcanoes: Mount Rainier, Mount St. Helens, West Crater, Indian Heaven, Mount Adams, Hood, Mount Jefferson, Sand Mountain Field, Blue Lake Crater, just only 12, okay? Belknap, Three Sisters. Last one is Mount Bachelar. Number 6 is USA, okay? Okay, next, number 5. And this, I think this is Russia, okay? Russia have 100 million volcanoes. This volcano called Alaid. This is called Chikuraki. I don't know. Sure. This is called Shirinki. This is called Nemo Peak. This is called Taorushir Caldera. This is called Kaharimkotan. Called Sinarka. This is called Ekarma. This is called Chirinkotan. This is called Raikoke. This is called Sarichev Peak. This is called Rashua. This is called Shredni. This is called what do you know what is this volcano? Yushishur. This is called Ketoi. This is called Rutman. This is called Prevel Peak. This is called Savari Ziki Caldera. This is called Milna. This is called Unuma. This is called Kolokol Group. This is called Trisitri. This is called, what is this? Rudakov. And the last one is Ivao Group. Next, number 4. Number 4 at North Korea. North Korea have 4 volcanoes. This is called Chugarayong, Longgang Group, Changbaishan, and Jingbo. Number 3 is Vulcan. Next one is number 2. Number 2 is in here in New Zealand. New Zealand have nothing. 21 volcanoes.